go to download the Google document that I provided, then open it up and you add the general information about your company here, your business name, industry, when did you start, phone number, company email. If you have a logo, include the file. If you have a color palette, you can add that as well. You can add the hex codes or the RGBA colors in there. If you don't have a logo, I'll provide one for you as well as a color palette. Then you provide a little description about your company, and then to build the website, what I need from you or for you to do is to go to the website you like, take a screenshot of the section like that. Then you go ahead and add that to the Google document so that I know which section you're talking about and what text specifically you want to change. There it is. Open. So it's real simple. You write, well, welcome to Made. Then you write that little equal sign and greater than for me to know that's what you're gonna replace it to. And then you can write whatever you want, like may make your dreams come true, or get a professional logo design, or remodel your living room today, right? You write something that you want people to read, and that'll want them to read more about your business, and in the end, and having them call you and wanting to do business with you or buy from you. Okay. For the images, you'll include the image that's here, for example, phone image, and then you're gonna write the file name in the folder, and I'll show you the how to do the folder. And for the background image, you do background image, and same thing, file name. And you do this for all the other sections of the website. You would do this for this, this, this one, this one, and this one, so on and so forth, right? These are partners that they have and testimonials from clients. Those are not mandatory. If you don't have them, don't worry about it. But if you do have them, then it's always beneficial to add those to a website. Then you have a last call to action here. Then the footer, all it needs is a logo. You don't have to worry about any of this besides your location if you want people to go there, your phone number and your email address depending on how you want to how you want your customers to contact you, and as well as your social media if you have any. Then to find free high quality stock images, you go to a website called Unsplash. It's all free. You don't even have to make an account, I believe, to download an image. And then you see, you just press on the button there, and then you choose where to download it to, and it's as simple as that. They have tons of images in here for different things. You can see the different categories that they have. So I'm sure you can find some really good high quality images in here for your business as well. So now we're gonna move on to the hosting section.